Alright, well, didn't get nearly as much done as I wanted to tonight. Did do some general cleanup and pickup. The big thing is getting the start-stop switches taken care of. And of course the E button. And I'll mount, I think, one more E-stop, maybe right here, something like that guy right there. Like right there, or there. Nah, I don't want it there. It's too close to where you're always leaning up. That one's too close to the other one. So it's either there or here. Obviously this needs to be rigidized. But yeah, I did get some cleanup done, some tools put away. Like I said, this is a big thing, getting these guys mounted up. I may do and I'll decide if I'm going to do this obviously before I get going. I may do a magnetic contact switch in here for lights. Ding! LED, let there be lights. Not like super bright, but something. This conglomeration of crap, there we go. This conglomeration of crap was what was in the control cabinet. I have some switches, some actual like just toggle switches. I'll have to see if I can find them. This stuff here, I'll be using a different controller. I have the controller over there. I don't know what this guy is rated to, but it isn't like, you know, crazy high. You know, I'm not even sure how this thing goes forward reverse now anymore, to tell you the truth. You know, I don't know if it does. It's gotta have reverse, doesn't it? Didn't it? Didn't it? Maybe not. Tell you the truth, I'm not sure the other one does either. But anyway, this is a simple, it's normally closed and you push on the button to normally open it. So the motor wires come in here, go to these guys here. Those guys are going to here. Now the new board I'm using is a lot smaller, but it's not the DC 120 to DC. Which is that guy right there, I'm assuming. Or most of it. Here's the rectifier circuit right there. Big diode. So this is the actual control part of it that actually is taking it and ramping it up and down. This is the rectifier. So I won't be like tearing this board apart, I'll be just not using it. Like I said, I already have a replacement. Higher wattage, lower voltage, higher wattage should give me a little bit better speed control, and then I'll have to look into a reverse contactor type reverse. So let's see, what didn't I get done? I did not play with that transformer. So anyway, what I think I will do is go into the house, take one of my DIN rails, go on to Thingiverse and see if there's an iPhone case for tripod, and that'll be nice to be able to actually set the phone down with the tripod and actually do some videos of some stuff that's happening. Alright, well, that being said, I think I'm gonna head inside, do that, take the DIN rail in there, work on doing the DIN rail mount. Oh, I guess I did decide I think I will end up running this breakout board versus this breakout board. Main reason is the extra relay outputs, and all the relay outputs are normally open, normally closed, and common. So that'll make a few things a little easier. I also have another, I may end up running that breakout board also, but that'll just be for extra outputs and inputs, you know, like I need a ton of them. It's like a 3-axis like micro mill, but at least then I'll have options. I also have an 8 relay 5-volt relay center coming. It's pretty much for anything, but it would actually be able to tie into one of these breakout boards for 8 more relays, 5-volt actuated relays. Which would be nice for controlling the lights and stuff, as well as having the switch panel right there, actually being able to have those. That came out nice, didn't it? I mean, you know, just so far we're looking pretty good. I really wish I would have painted that, though. A little bit of paint does you wonders, don't it? But who knows? We'll see. Maybe I'll throw up some newspaper in here tomorrow, and no, that ain't gonna happen. Tomorrow I'm going to get this guy more or less decided what I have to actually do. Yeah, all my mounting points for my, yeah, I already said this in a previous video. But yeah, we'll get this squared away, get the other rail mounted, get the racks cut down, get them ground properly, get that box emptied, measure for the transformer, What else? Clean up this area a little better. Period. Maybe then, you know, I'm not even too worried about this area here. Eesh. Maybe I'll get some of that bench cleaned off so I can get that grinder put up there. Although I hate a grinder in the shop. Grinder needs to go out underneath the carport. I do any grinding outside. Hate grinder dust in the shop. I mean, you know, I'm such a clean freak, as you can tell. Oh, let's see here. Yeah, I got getting a refund on the power supply that burnt up on me. So yeah, that'll be interesting. They said it sounded like a short. Yeah, you think? Ugh. Oh, 1,000 volts. Yeah, that'll do just fine, just fine. Alright, have a good night.